Hello and welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the best products on the market. Today, we are talking about the Tooltekt Dust Mask, a top-of-the-line anti-fog face shield for grinding, cutting, and more. The Tooltekt Dust Mask offers comprehensive protection with a transparent, lightweight, and breathable design, safeguarding against droplets, aerosols, and splashes. It features superior clarity and an anti-fog design, ensuring ultra-clear visibility during critical tasks like woodworking or outdoor activities. This face shield provides a protective barrier against dust, wood chips, grass, and metal particles, keeping you safe while you work. Made from high-quality materials, the Tooltekt Dust Mask is comfortable to wear for extended periods and is portable for easy transportation. It is widely used for outdoor activities, in the kitchen, at work, or in your car, making it a versatile and essential safety tool. In conclusion, the Tooltekt Dust Mask is the best full-face shield anti-fog available in the market. Its comprehensive protection, superior clarity, and comfortable design make it a must-have for anyone engaged in activities that require protection against dust and particles. Stay safe and protected with the Tooltekt Dust Mask. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews. See you next time.